Sahana Bhavatu my tribe. So this is Divya Pandit. In the year 2025, promised to make a lot of videos, lots of them coming. So 2025 ये साल कैसा जाएगा और हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं इस साल में और क्या करना चाहिए. This year is going to bring us lot of good luck also, because according to Indian astrology, it is the year of Jupiter, but according to numerology, it is the year of Mars. So what we should do that will make our life very, very easy this year. I've come up with some tips, okay, for this year. And also, if you see this video after 2 years also, these tips will be still useful for you. Not necessary these tips which I'm giving you will be useful this year. Anytime you see, you will do these remedies and things will get sorted in your life. But especially this year is going to affect a lot, okay? So what if we are going through some difficult times? We are coming out of the 2024 energy, the Shani energy, the Saturn energy, and walking towards 2025 is going to be wonderful for a lot of people, and globally it's going to be a little chaotic, okay? Worldwide, I feel there will be another virus that will come up in some cold place. Intuitively, that's what I'm feeling. In a volcanic, probably there'll be a very old volcano which will suddenly start erupting. Probably there will be some virus coming out from there. Some water virus will also come. And probably there will be a lot of earthquakes this year, a lot of, especially after the eclipse that is coming in April and March. Okay, there's an eclipse coming, right? Lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. Okay, earthquakes, lot of fighting, lot of arguments with people, lot of problems in politics, especially fallout of the current government. There will be a lot of conflict. It won't fall down, the government won't fall down, but there will be a lot of conflicts between the leaders themselves, and war and so on. Now how do we safeguard ourselves? What to do? क्या करना चाहिए कि हम अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकें? क्या करना चाहिए? What to do? The only goddess that is going to save us in this year is going to be Ma Baglamukhi. See, the year of Mangal, Mars, it is related to Hanumanji. We will do a lot of Hanumanji Upai. We will do a lot of go to the temple Tuesday, which I'm going to give you the remedies in some time. But remember, this year is of Ma Baglamukhi. You will see her name rising, people worshipping, people talking about her, people doing her upasanas a lot this year. This year is her year. Okay? She is the goddess of Mars. Okay? The Lord is Hanumanji, but she's the goddess, the Shakti of Mars. Okay? And she actually will protect you and take you forward very, very smoothly this year. ये साल बगलामुखी माँ के लिए है, अर्पित है, और ये साल बगलामुखी माँ की ही उपासना होनी चाहिए और वो ही आपको तारेगी. Baglamukhi Ma will take you forward because she is also a guru. She is a guru ma also. So she will give you guidance, she will take you forward, she is going to do a lot if you are doing her worship. This entire video is based on Ma Baglamukhi, okay? Because I have seen her magic and miracle. She is the most wonderful, wonderful Ma, okay? She is my guru, she's my guru Ma, okay? And she is one of the most powerful. Now, there are many people on social media. I have heard, and my students also came up with a question that, ma'am, many people say that without taking a Diksha, you cannot chant Ma Baglamukhi's mantra. बिना दीक्षा के आप चैंट नहीं कर सकते, ऐसे कहते हैं लोग. But let me give you clarity on this. Ma Baglamukhi's mantra can be chanted by anyone. कोई भी chant कर सकता है. Ma Baglamukhi's yantra can be kept in your mandir, in your altar by anyone. But there are certain things you need to take care of. Okay? Now here, if you are actually doing Siddhi of the mantra, then you need Diksha. Not to just worship her or take her name. If you are actually doing Siddhi, only then. To take her name, to worship her, anybody can do. She is very approachable. दीक्षा उनको दी जाती है जो मंत्र की सिद्धि करना चाहते हैं, जो माँ से मिलना चाहते हैं, जो सिद्ध करना चाहते हैं मंत्र को. कॉमन मैन जो होता है वो मंत्र जाप, पूजा, अर्चना बगलामुखी की कर सकते हैं. यू कैन वर्शिप बगलामुखी, कीप हर इन द हाउस, call out for her for help. Anybody can do it. Okay? Baglamukhi Ma is the one who's actually going to protect you this year. And she's superb. Superb. Okay? So the Mars energy which is there is going to be less harmful to you if it is harmful in your chart. So you have to go to an astrologer and see whether Mangal is good in your chart or bad in your chart. People who are Manglik, they are going to do very well professionally this year, but they have to be careful of their relationship because a lot of arguments, fights. Mangliks are anyway fiery people, very ambitious, very go-getters kind. So yes, you have to be careful of your relationship because that might be a little problem. Okay, so check your Mangal. People who did not have any confidence this year will have confidence. People who were just waiting, procrastinating to do certain things, they'll start taking a step. A lot of good things are also happening. Okay, a lot of good things are like technology wise, we are going to do very well. India is going to do very well. Worldwide is going to do very well. AI will do well. Medical field will come up with some discoveries. Right? Scientists are going to do very well this year. Or anything, if you are involved in any seva, like doing for other people, that also will do well. Okay, so what we need to do every day so that we can bring Baglamukhi's energy, Baglamukhi Ma's energy in our lives. So the first caution you need to take is Ma does not like black color. She hates black color. So do not, this whole year, if you can avoid black and just wear white, yellow more, less of red. Okay, the aggression will come down with that. And try to wear more of pastel shades. Okay, try to wear more pastel. When you are worshipping Ma Baglamukhi, you just have to wear white and yellow. These two colors only you will have to wear. So when you're sitting to do her upasana, her worship, just try to wear any shade of yellow or white. No wearing black. She doesn't like it. Okay. Now, your mantra is your yantra. Even if you are sitting in your altar, you don't have Baglamukhi's yantra, you don't have Baglamukhi's photo, it's fine. Her energy will still come when you're chanting her mantra. Her mantra is her presence, remember that. Her mantra is your yantra. You don't have to actually have her in your altar to call out to her. This is one thing. आपको बगलामुखी की एक्चुअली फोटो या यंत्र रखने की जरूरत नहीं, उनको कॉल आउट करने के लिए आपको सिर्फ वाइट या येलो कपड़े पहनने. You if you really feel you want to have her, her yantra or her picture, then you keep a small picture, not a very big one. Keep a small yantra which you get on Amazon, anywhere you get, or any shop you'll go, you'll get Baglamukhi's yantra. Okay, you can keep that in the altar. Even if you don't have a picture, you just have a yantra is more than enough. Just keep a yellow cloth below the yantra. That is the only condition. Okay, you can offer her homemade sweets. Now you can buy sweets from outside. That's okay if you don't have an option, you're working, you don't have time. But I will prefer that you make something with your hand at home, yellow in color. Like there is Shira, which is yellow in color, like a lot of, I think, people make. Then there is yellow rice, which she loves, yellow sweet rice. Add a little kesar in it and some dry fruits. Offer it to her. Okay, you can do that. Just sit down and pray upon her with your pure heart that this year, let my work, money, career, health, relationships all go smoothly. And if you are going through any kind of money obstacles, you can just sit down and worship to her for her kindness, her grace, and her blessings, right? So what you need to do, just chant her mantra. Now if we want to remove obstacles of money, of relationship, or we want protection, which mantras to use? Baglamukhi mantra, her beach mantra is Hleem. 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 Okay? Hleem is a beach mantra. And her bigger mantra is Baglamukhi Hleem. Baglamukhi Sarva Dushtana Vacham Mukham Padam Stambhe Jivam Kile Buddhi Vinashe Hleem Om Swaha. Which I'll put it in the description. You will find it on Google also. Okay? Now which one to use when? Now the bigger mantra which I have said can be chanted 108 times every day by people who have more time to give to their worship. Okay, if you can't chant this for 108 times, you can just chant Hleem. Hleem, 1 mala or 3 malas. No doing 2 malas. 2 malas is not the rule. Okay, always choose odd numbers for chanting your mantra. Hleem, do 1 mala or 3 mala, which is going to be very, very beneficial. Now, what are the benefits? You are going to have good relationships. You are going to have protection from Ma Baglamukhi. One very, very important thing about her protection is that if you have kids who are scared, getting nightmares, okay, if you are going through some kind of fears, see, I have seen adults also with a lot of fears, okay, she will actually protect you so well that no negativity will ever touch you. I was called to somebody's house, and there were 2-3 people there, and they felt there was an entity over there. Okay, so everybody could see it, only one person could not see it. So I asked her. She said, "नहीं, मुझे नहीं दिखता, but I am intuitive." And I chant Baglamukhi's mantra. I said, "That's why you can't see it." Because Baglamukhi will make sure no entity comes in your energy field. Other people were getting affected, she wasn't, because she was chanting Baglamukhi's mantra. And she could not even see it because it didn't even come in her space. She's that powerful. Just by chanting 1 mala of Baglamukhi, that woman wasn't even, like, everybody else got affected in the same house, but she didn't. She's that powerful. So Baglamukhi mantra, you can do a lot of things. You can just chant it in a water and sprinkle it all over the house. You can write it on the water filter. Like you have a RO, you have AquaGuard or whatever. You can just write her mantra on a paper and stick it on the water so that everybody drinks it. Everybody is going to get the positive energy. Okay. You can do a lot with her mantra. A lot. Okay. So Hleem is her beach mantra, and the bigger mantra I told you. Now, if you have a lot of enemies evil eyeing you, hexing you, or you have a lot of enemies who are creating problems in your work area, this is the mantra. Om Hleem Shatru Nashaya Fat. Om Hleem Shatru Nashaya Fat is the mantra for getting rid of any kind of enemy. The enemy could be not just the entity or black magic or nazar. That enemy could be your competitor, or that enemy could be your family members who are trying to bring you down. Could be anybody. What does Baglamukhi do? स्तंभित कर देती है, मतलब block कर देती है. Like we do these ice magic and this magic and that magic, we don't need it. She will freeze your enemies if they are your enemies and if you have not harmed them. Okay, just keep doing the mantra regularly every day. You will see a lot of difference in your life, especially this year. This year is her year. She is the Shakti of this year. Okay, so she, Kalima, is also quite present this year. Okay, so now when you're sitting there chanting her mantra, you have her yantra or you don't have her yantra, you're just chanting the mantra. Her mantra is the yantra, remember that. You keep her, I will not ask you to keep idols. Just keep her picture, keep her yantra if you want to. Even if you don't, it is fine. The chanting that you're doing is the yantra, basically. Okay. Now how you're going to do, after you complete your mantra jap, you offer Ma the prasad, you're just going to put both your hands on your chest, on your heart chakra, because she's your heart and soul. She resides in our hearts because she's a guru. So you're going to again chant her mantra, the longer one, okay, here once, and on your third eye once, over here, both areas, because she's also responsible for your intuition, for your third eye. So you're going to first do this, chant her longer mantra, and then chant it again over here twice. That will also keep you protected. It will give you a lot of protection, chanting her mantra on your heart chakra and your third eye. This is very important. Okay. Now the remedies that you can do to overcome all the obstacles in your life. For 12 Tuesdays you can बताशे आता है, बताशे को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं, I don't know. You have these sweet candies, okay, made of sugar only, no other item in that. You can donate that in Hanumanji's temple every Tuesday till 12 Tuesdays. How many? 12 Tuesdays you have to donate if you want to manifest some work. Suppose I'm going to tell Hanumanji, please, clients nahi aa rahe hain, I'm going to donate batashe in Hanumanji's temple. That is what you need to do. And if you're feeding Brahmins, Pandits on Tuesdays, this year you will see a lot of ancestral, not only ancestral blessing, you will see good relationships and a lot of abundance. Now what does abundance mean? Abundance means money, family, love, everything. So on 12 Tuesdays, if you feed Brahmins, what you need to feed? You need to feed jaggery. You need to feed honey. उसका कुछ एक खीर बना लो, like put milk में put jaggery, put honey, खीर जैसे बना लो, और separately you give any Brahmin for 12 Tuesdays. You will see a lot of abundance this year. Okay. Things that you do not keep in your house is any rusted weapon. Remember, अगर छुरी पे जंग लग गया है, if your knife is rusted or anything that is rusted in a house, please discard it this year, because that will bring a lot of blockages. Okay? So, Ma Baglamukhi is our savior this year. Baglamukhi ko पूजो, सब कुछ सही हो जाएगा ये साल. Everything is going to fall into place. Everything is going to be wonderful. Okay? So, this year, Jai Ma Baglamukhi. Jai Ma. Jai Ma Pitambara Ma. Okay? She is going to give the guidance. She is going to, take you forward. She is going to really, really help you with everything that you want. And before you leave, stop watching my video. Please press the bell icon. Subscribe to my channel, because that is the only energy exchange I ask for my channel. Okay, the videos that I make for you. And follow me on everywhere, on Twitter, X, which is Twitter, X, Instagram, Facebook, and please share my video with your family and friends. That's all for today. Goodbye, God bless, and do write on the comments whether this video helped you. Hari Om Tat Sat.